Hi, welcome to Sandals and Steel-Toes. My name is Lex, and I'd like to introduce my very talented mother, Susan, who we also call Grandma Sue.
Right. Hello.
Today, Grandma Sue is going to talk about her beautiful irises, which are in full bloom, and show us how to take care of them.
Hi everyone, and happy spring to all of you. I just love spring, and I'm so glad you guys can spend your day here with me and be able to enjoy a little bit what I'm going to be talking about, my irises. And as for myself, I was born in spring. I was born in spring many decades ago. I just love nature and gardening, flowers. As a small child, I just loved it. And my mother, God bless her soul, she would have been 104 years old this year. And she always had flower gardens. She had flower gardens all over the place. We would go down to the cemetery on Memorial Day and different birthdays of the relatives, and she would cut all of her flowers and she would put them in little buckets, and we'd take them to the cemetery and put them on all the graves. She was that kind of person. She cared about a lot of people. And in the summertime also, parents would take me over to my uncle's house in Cleveland, and he had the most amazing rose bushes. They were just beautiful. You know, what an inspiration for a small child to be able to enjoy nature and the love of flowers and the love of gardening. It was just wonderful. As for myself, I've been gardening for many years, many decades, so I have a lot of gardening under my belt. But today I'd like to share the bloom of the bearded iris with you folks. Aren't these glorious? These are just bearded irises. They're just amazing. I have quite a bit of them. As you can see, I got here and over here and over here. But if you folks are going to divide irises or have any kind of irises in your garden, you're going to have to divide them and you're going to have to maintain them. So from mid to late summer is about the time that you want to divide your irises, because you're going to have to maintain your irises if you're going to have them. So what I usually do, I take this whole plant out and the root ball. It's called rhizomes. This is what grows the iris. And then I would take a small shovel and then separate each one of the rhizomes. You don't want to overcrowd irises, because if you do that, if they're overcrowded, you're going to have less blooms and they just won't produce as beautiful as this for you. Also, if you notice that your rhizomes, your root base is popping out of the soil, but you can't see it here because none of mine have that, because I divide them every year. But if they're popping out, that's also a sure sign that you want to divide your irises. And you want to make sure that they have a good root system before winter time. So I hope this gives you guys a little bit of inspiration about how to maintain your irises, and you'll have many gorgeous blooms from years on end if you just do this. So I hope you enjoy it, and God bless you all, and thanks for watching.